Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a spring inspired look for you guys today. Spring is finally here and I'm so glad. It is nice to hear the birds chirping again and to see all the flowers blooming and just the overall good weather. So I hope you guys like this look I came up with. It's not anything complicated. I like more simple looks, but I think it is a look that makes you look fresh and kind of glowy, but also kind of still a little bit on the natural side. But if you guys do enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know that you guys like seeing videos like this. And also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. But let's go ahead and just get right on into this video.